question is always, how does structure interact with individuals to change health? And so what we did is, based on this spatial self-organizing map that my colleague developed, we basically mapped out places in New York City, all over New York City. So we would have areas of New York City that would be more racist and sexist, and less racist and sexist, or more racist and homophobic, and less racist and homophobic, based on all of the Twitter data in that area. And so our mean variable, we had to transpose it, was 0 to 1, was basically structural racism, and structural sexism and structural homophobia. We didn't use sexism in this paper. And then with our individual samples of young sexual minority men, we did an ecological momentary assessment where we followed them over a 14-day period, and we collected information on basically where they went, what they did when they were there, how they felt. And in this particular method, we decided that, we were gonna stay true to quantitative intersectionality, but we wanted to merge these two areas. So basically, this paper is about, how many days of poor mental health in the last 30 days that these young men at the intersection of sexual and racial minority status, experience in the context of racism and homophobia in New York City. And so this was the hardest analysis I've ever done in my life. It was the hardest paper I've ever gotten published in my life. We had so many great reviewers that really challenged us, because norms is a part of structure. As any critical race theory sociologist, anyone that does this work, and we contested that our variable was structure because we were talking about norms and sentiments.